everything you ever wanted to know about self-image. Our self-image is an image located in our subconscious mind that makes up everything that we believe to either be true or not true about ourselves, in our circumstances, and in the universe in general. And this image is a cybernetic mechanism. If you really want to dive into this, I suggest that you purchase the book Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz and study it. But in essence, what is a cybernetic mechanism? It is a mechanism that guides towards a certain thing without deviation to other things. Let's say, for example, the thermostat in our house. Like when we put it on in the Netherlands in the winter, say for example 19 degrees, and the door opens, the temperature drops to 17 degrees. Then all of a sudden the thermostat kicks on the boiler and warm water is spread through the radiators and the temperature starts to rise again. So this is also how our self-image works. If we have an image of ourselves as incompetent, as unconfident, as undisciplined, as weak, as sick, this image will keep coming true. It is a self-fulfilling prophecy. The image that we hold of ourselves is the image of a that will be. So if we want to change the quality of our life, we have to change the self-image. We have to change the way that we see ourselves. This is how we become better and how we grow on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis, simply by increasing the quality of our self-image. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.